Forward 2 points. Aris. No, rebound. Pasok Christian. Christian on our way. Tinukot. Wala. Pasok Aris. Aris tingnan. Tingnan. Pabandang pinaka. Using the board 2 points. Last time. Next time. So Nichols, Johnny. Pasok Christian. Walang mapasahan. Pasok Sinisa. Just number 25. Sinisa. Bilang tumira. Wala. End up. Rebound. Pasok Aris. Tingnan ang kalawan. Lays up. Correct 2 points. Figure shot by Aris Tingnan. Yoshi. Number 8. Sinisa. Pasok Johnny. Just number 8. James. Behind the back. Johnny. Foul dan lepas apakah lane violation. Aristina all the way Pinasa out the pass Joseph is say wow no rebound bisa return nagpapadali up now sumabit by foul jersey number 16 first personal foul, first team foul. Agusar pasok, Sable, last dance green. Engine Funara, guiding back. Pass to the 31. Foul, dinamaan sa kusok. Inside pass to Joseph, number 22. Anda. Nakuha niya din. 24. Inside pass. No, rebound. Sinisa, number 25. Paso. Roland Caso, jersey number 31. Charlie, James. Inside pass to Christian Agusar. Correct 2 points. Nice collection play by jersey number 88. Jersey number Aris Tingnan. The point guard controlling the level. Muntik na makawala ang ulang. Tingnan. All the way. Lays up. Rebound. Jonas Luisa. Holding foul by Roger. Tempering this issue. Ang nagkadalang level. Up. Jersey number 8. Holding foul.
Second team.
And mapasok sa aking ibang lagyan siya ng Mercers. Chad. Sumabit. Jersey number 24. Loreto. Illegal use of that. Gini Loreto. Of Conte. Ibon. Christian Agusar. Pick. Roland Caso. Esesya ka. Basic na tukod siya. CEO of Powerbird. Aris Tingnan. Controlling the ball. Aris. Looking for his limit. Up by himself. Referee Roger. Ang ganda ng hawak yun. Johnny Eagle Justin Frankie. Johnny, the punter. Christian Agusar. Biglang kaninalos. Correct 2 points. Christian Agusar. Of Powerbird. Takbo-pogi yan, Christian. Aris na ba? Aris lays up! Correct using the last 2 points. Johnny. Up, biglang. Diretso, lays up! No! Christian, basket count. May kasama ba ang foul? Who's fouled? Foul, just number 22. Leisardo, balls to Mr. Christian Agusar. Logo, rebound ni Santo. Dalang pasok ayos naman. 5 fouls. Out of bounds, tumama sa one hook, hindi sa tuhod. Tumama sa one hook. Pagkalawa yung tuhod.
Atak na! Atak na!
Tumama na sa one hook. Christian. Pick and pop. Sa division.
Since 5!
5 in 5. Ball is high. Oh, idol, Big Papa P is in the building. Ayan ang idol natin. Idol natin. Papa Fiolo Santana, jersey number 27. Ipakita ko lang kung sino na idol. Lemon Ice, kahit follow up 2 balls, Ice Levi. Pwede pa lang, paligid pa lang. Up sa Mariani. Dwight. Up. Nakalaw. Paso Abastillas. Jersey number 17, Abastillas. Lipat sa kabilang court. 2 points. Idol. Idol. Santana. Out of bounds. Blue ball, blue ball. Sayang. Horsepower, jersey number 8, pushing foul. 2 free throw, jersey number 22. Okay lang yan, okay lang. Sandwich muna. Second row. Yun o. Yun o. Yun. Sinukat lang yun kayo. Sinukat lang yun. Bigilyo. Oh, ang ganda ng, ganda ng replay ko. Oh, pinasa. Christian. From the way to one nation. Limang natin sa Bastian. Nagawal Christian. One follow. Agawan. Alis na yan. Medyo lang yun. Alis na yan. Nakabalik. All the way to the runner. Next one. Sapa. Number 10.
Dapat white.
Wala. Dalawa, tatlong free throw yan. Tatlong free throw. Hindi kami yung isa. May dalawa pa yung free throw yan. May dalawa pa yan. Pangalawa. Nakita lang siya natin foul. Jersey number 22.
Second. Second personal.
Jubali. Shout out Uncle Jubali. Paso. Bagay Bro. Bagay
Ito ba?
Position. Jubali.
Lawrence.
Jubali. Paso. Christian. Torres. Inside pass.
Pero tama yung sa plan.
Jubali. Scoring ball. Jubali. Jubali. All the way. Romeo, pass to Julian. Romeo, pass out to Joseph Rodrigo at the last by Becky. And that's it, second for the shot clock. Oh, Pinasa, Anda. Alice Niman, short. Anda for the follow. Abastillas. Pass to Giovanni. Giovanni, Joseph Rodrigo, Giovanni. Jersey number blocking foul 1, Romeo.
Inot?
Inot yun ba?
Oo.
Wala ba niya? Punta na baka natin siguro.
Lisandro, and the finds Lisandro, jersey number 20, Coley. Mirili. Is it pass on this? And 2 points. Nice under shot, Mr. Andres Abastillas.
Pastillas?
Romeo, jersey number 1, controlling ball. Pass to Iron. Turn up, double. Blue ball. Last time,
Ready daw ito.
Giovanni.
Meron ka na ikaw na? Hindi.
Michael, Reza, Ilata, Christian. Alright, go boys, Christian, Nakasar. Naging nilang foul.
Time out guys, time out! Time out, time out.
Toronto, ese pass, sumabit, foul.
Ten. Second na siya.
Foul.
Second.
Number 10, Lobo, second personal foul. Second personal foul. 40 seconds to the shot clock. Alice Niman, double rebound. It's a jump ball. Single. Change five.
Gio, kaya mo na Gio! Gio! Kain ka muna!
Change three.
Oh, sige, sige, kain mo. Sabihin mo kaya ano?
Sorry. 24. Lorenzo. Melvin Manal.
Second.
Second personal foul. Charlie to Boston.
Ano ka naging?
Ronald Paul, Pastor.
Asa ba sila? Russell Rex?
Wow, nato karon kay kwanto sila dula.
Russell open three, wala. Di ba meron? Ronald, Charlie, fires, wala. Di ba meron? Rajon pushing the ball. Pastor, Tony, no. Back to Rajon. To Lizardo, fires for two. Score 23-16 in favor of Maribel. Carrying on. Papa Dwight goes guarding by Loreno. Papa Dwight nilang tubusin. Wala. Iba kay Pizarro. Interception wala. No down. Basket down. Osvaldo. Foul number 13. Rajon Lasik. AJ Menard shooting for one. Short. Imanay Sinisa. Wala. Imanay Danal Tony. Donato. Torino. Simple. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot. Sano Pino, corner three, wala. Rebound by Monar to Charlie. Charlie is pushing the ball. Goes early by Pino. Charlie, basket down. Osvaldo. Osvaldo. Number one, Tony Inot. Shooting for one, Johnny Eagle.
From waitress to fitness.
Warning, Tony for tapping Rajon Lasik. Warning for the lane again. Charlie, five for two. Lizardo, wala. Rebound by Monar. Monar to Papa Dwight. Papa Dwight to the ball. Green pass to Jose, back to Papa Dwight for three. Papa Dwight, three. Dito, ball pass to Lasik. Lasik step back three, wala. Rebound by Monar. Oy! Sinisa all alone for two. Is our prize winner, James Wilson. Chai nomor intentional Wales. Totorino. Trio Tribe. Loris Silva. Chai prize winner. Raymond Isobis. Chai Tumala. Boyan Fars. Kutu. Ay, sa mga nagulong dyan,
Wala ng blue ha.
mayroon na tayo available na pagkain courtesy of Chip at Chef Asti. Pagkakal bukas. Kumuha na kayo dyan. Magbabayad ka dito sa Rose. Ito sa Itorin. Kumuha na kayo.
Pati dyan magbabayad.
Kumuha na kayo dyan.
Okay nga yun eh. Second personal foul, first team foul, power bell. 21 seconds to the shot clock. And for three.
Gio goes behind the penalty. Gio. Go left. Back to Gio. Now pass to Charlie. Charlie Bay for two. Alex dribble the ball.
Bumili na.
Alex to left. And wala. Dito na right. Andres. To Reza. To Gio. Gio. Gio to Reza. Reza pass for two. Papa May. Papa May. Papa May. Entra de Bananas. Torres. Ares. Ares. Fora. Andres. Torreza. Forward pass to Gio. Gio pass for two. Rajon, Dono, 10 seconds na siya. Back to Rajon. Wala. Ipatinasyan. Point to Gio. Gio pass for two. Abami, Dono, Ano, wala. Iwan by Andres. Andres, to Reza, back to Andres, back. Physical violation. Abami, again, there, open three, bang! And foul, three! It was substitution. And again, Lava and Constantine, Alice all alone for an AC2. And then to Christian. Christian giving the ball pass for Charlie. Charlie waits for two. Aris for two. Christian. Offensive foul. Substitution. Out, that's it. He's not ready. Foul number two. Christian is foul.
Luna!
Ice. Again. Oh!
Sunod pa.
Papa B, I want to dance. Pinatrasan. Papa B, itira mo. Bang! Almost! Gio, to Charlie. Charlie, to Andres. Andres, and then to Aris. Beyond one break. Aris, foul.
Tatlo. Tatlo na Prinsyo.
Foul number 24, Gio Villo, third personal foul. Short for two, Aris Vida. 8 points, 7 points though. 7 points. First throw, wala. Second throw, Ready rebound. Cristiano Charlie to Christian out. Basket count, goal scorers. Number 22, Luis Cano. Third personal foul. First team foul, Kobe Reta. Christian shooting for one. Good for one. Complete the favorite play. Fails to Lizardo. Lizardo to Aris. Aris Torres. Wala. Gio. Gio to Charlie. Foul. Offensive foul number 18. Aris Pina.
Second.
Second personal foul. Substitution. 40 seconds to the shot clock. 40 seconds to shoot. Andres fire. Ivan Christian for two.
Wala na, second up na eh. Pwede na.
Wala. Ivan Charlie. Charlie, five for two. Isandro, wala. Again, Loreno. Campos.
Sige pa muna. Foul number 17, Andres Zapatillas. Shooting for two, Alistina.
Bisa mo lang. Ano pa? First lang. Na. Boss niyo ba? Since find dito? Wow.
Foul Only foul. What's about it?
Number 10.
Number 10. Fatima. Third personal foul. 40 seconds in the shot. Ano? Twice. Alis. Foul.
Klaro kayo.
Foul number 21. 80 Mulao. 16 foul. Powerhead. Shooting for 2. Alistina. First roll. Go for 1. Second roll. 2 for 2 by Alistina. Andres. Bantura. Onar for 2. Ilog Elder set again. Abbas Elias. Abbas Elias for 2. Alistina for 2.
Oras. Ano? Haba ka ng oras eh. Apat na siya. Lawrence, apat ka na.
Lawrence Anor, 4 personal foul. Last roll. Took good for 1. Ilog na Moreno. Moreno, ay! Wala! Iwan na Andres. Gasol! Wala! Ayos! Gasol!
Penalty.
Warning for penalty. Powerhead.
Sa butang ni magtuwas.
Foul number 10. Penalty.
Number 10.
Apat.
Apat.
Warning for the region.
Saya mo na. Saya.
Si Rolando.
Siya.
First row.
Markim.
Goal for 1. Ready for substitution.
Kasi may isa akong
Oh. Ba't nagka-tick 5?
ano ito muna ngayon, last week na lang ngayon.
Goal for substitution.
Tsaka na. Pag ano, mga July.
Okay na. Tapos, okay na.
Ka-earn.
Papaday. Wala. Ready for substitution. Alistina for 2. Ay, wala.
Wala nila sila.
Set ball. 20 seconds on the shot. Substitution. Seconds on the shot. Wala.
Sige, sige, sige.
Sini sa wala. Ibaratkan Oalis. Alex for two. Sisa one of the fighting players and wrestlers. Number one, Reborn Hotel.
Time out kami para makapasok yung import namin. Makapasok yung import namin.
Chai for two.
Sabi niya,
Sino?
Silver. Wala pa, wala pa. Dalawa.
Oh, second person now. Buhana. Basketball. Wala! Sayang! Horrible basketball.
Una kinukontra eh.
Pero,
Kaso na yan! Basket down! Foul number 10. Number 9. Five personal foul. Shooting for one, Alex Diaz. Go play this three-point play. Charlie. Mona for two. Alex Diaz.
yawa Markin. Pauman ako sa pikas man. Pwede maglaro lasing.
Bobby Chicago, wala.
Number 13, lasing.
Bobby Chicago.
Markin ba? Markin. Apelido niya siya. Lasing. Lasing. Lasing.
Pwede nga, sabi pwede.
Oh, lasing. Akala ko lasing sound. Sino pa nun? Sino ba?
Pedro, wala.
Tala lang kaso.
Pedro, good for one by Tumino. 43.9 seconds left.
Dito, Big. Yes.
Between Sky Jersey and Canal Ayan na si Mata. Congratulations, Powell. Our best player of the game, number 21, AJ Morales.
Yes. May nasa pa.
eh.